Hi, I'm Shraddha, a software engineer by profession and an explorer at heart. In this vlog, I'll take you on a journey to my hometown, a charming village nestled in the Chiplun area of the Konkan region. If you're new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any new updates. Cloud is clouding.
Cloud is clouding.
Sunroof is sunroofing.
Very good sunroof.
मेरे बाल उड़ गए। स्लो गया स्लो गया कौन मारा थांबा
राइट लगे ना राइट ला पण घे
सरस्वते नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वते नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः।
Every year, the enchanting land of Konkan, Maharashtra comes alive with the vibrant celebration of Gauri Ganpati. This deeply revered festival marks the arrival of two beloved deities, Lord Ganesh, the remover of obstacles, and Goddess Gauri, the embodiment of prosperity and purity. For generations, the coastal village of Konkan have embraced these divine beings with open hearts and homes. The roots of Gauri Ganpati celebration in Konkan can be traced back to Maratha era, when families would prepare extensively for this joyous occasion. Traditionally, the festival spans 3 days. On the first day, Gauri, also known as Maherchi Gauri, is welcomed into homes with rituals symbolizing the arrival of a daughter returning to her maternal home. She is adorned with beautiful sari, gold jewelry and fresh flowers. However, the celebration of Gauri Ganpati in Konkan has evolved over time. What was once a quiet and private household affair has now blossomed into grand community gathering. With the rise of public installation and beautifully crafted idols, the festival has become a reflection of the region's collective spirit. On the second day, Gauri Pujan takes place, where women gather to perform rituals seeking the goddess' blessing for the well-being of their families. Offering of coconut, jaggery and rice are made with a deep sense of devotion. These traditions have been passed down for centuries, symbolizing the bond between the earth and divine and the importance of family unity. On the second day, women perform Mangala Gaur. It is a traditional Maharashtrian festival. This celebration involves women coming together for an evening of singing, dancing and playing traditional games. Special rituals are performed to seek blessing for a happy and prosperous married life. The evening is filled with joy, laughter and cultural performances reflecting the strong community of Maharashtrian tradition. The culmination of the festival is marked by the immersion of Gauri and Ganpati idols in water, known as Visarjan. The procession is a spectacle of devotion, music, and joy as devotees bid farewell to the deities with the hope that they will return the following year to bless their homes and villages once again.
मम्मी छत्री दे गौरीला मोरया
गौरीला छत्री
मोरया
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुरवी पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती रत्ना खचित फारा तुझ गौरी कुमराव चंदनाची ओठी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा दृढ सुरती नो पोरे चरणी घागरिया हो चरणी घागरिया जय देव
The Gauri Ganpati festival is more than just a celebration. It is a deep expression of the Konkan people's faith, their cultural heritage, and the enduring connection between humanity and the divine. Through the years, this festival has gracefully transitioned with the times, yet it continues to remain at the heart of Maharashtra's spiritual landscape.
दर्शन माते मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुरवी पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव दर्शन माते मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती रत्ना खचित फारा तुझ गौरी कुमराव चंदनाची ओठी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा दृढ सुरती नो पोरे चरणी घागरिया हो चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती लंबोदर पीतांबर फणीवर वंदना सरळ सोंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना तासा माझा वाटपाही सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना
The immersion of idols in water during festivals like Ganesh Visarjan is a symbolic and spiritual tradition rooted in Hindu belief. It represents a cycle of creation and dissolution, signifying that everything in life, including the divine, is part of the natural flow of birth, existence, and eventual return to the elements.
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती रत्ना खचित फारा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची ओठी कुंकुम केशरा
हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा तृण सुणती नो पोरे चरणी घागरिया हो चरणी घागरिया
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती लंबोदर पीतांबर फणीवर वंदना सरळ सोंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना
दासा माझा वाटपाही सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मना कामना पूर्ती हो कामना पूर्ती
Thank you for joining us in celebrating the Gauri Ganesh festival. May the blessing of Gauri and Ganpati fill your homes with joy, harmony and prosperity throughout the year. Ganpati Bappa Moria Pudcha Varshi Laukar ya. This is Shraddha signing off. See you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.